Inspiring You To Greatness does, we have 3 specific programs that we do. It's B3, Better Business Banking, which is our small business entrepreneurship education classes. We have our E3, which is Workforce Development, Educate, Empower, Employ, which is what we do for small businesses for your employees. And then M3, which is Money plus Proper Management equals Mortgage. We actually do the credit and the mortgage literacy education in the areas of down payment assistance classes as well. So, we have flyers outside, like I just love what she just said about lunch. We do it on a lunch and learn because we understand you have to eat. I have, and Michael is one of my, he is my specific 2017 bank sponsor, American First National Bank, as an example, and I invited him to come here because I thought this would be a great way for us to talk to our community and service all people from all different walks of life, corporate, business, and even we want to see more businesses that become corporations. And so that's something else that we do. So last, but certainly not least,